This is a room tour of a king suite strip view at the W. So as we come into the door, just in front we got a nice lounge area, but just to the left, first of all, we have a toilet, a water closet as it may be called, with a sink and a nice mirror. We have an adjoining door in this room, and within the lounge area we've got a desk and a chair, your phone, your telly, a sofa which is not a bed, a table, a separate chair to look out over your strip view. A little bit dirty. There's a control for your temperature. You've got your mini fridge just there, a Keurig. I think if you bring your own Keurigs you can use them, but these are payable. Ice bucket. Into the main bedroom. Two lights, both with plugs, no USBs. Two large wardrobes. You have a robe and some slippers. Lights come on, a telly and lots of drawers. In this side, again, forward facing, clothes hangers and your safe. Another view of the strip, which is of course fantastic. Another chair, the wife is not included. And you've got a clock, and that has a USB-C in it and a USB-A. So there's not as many options for USBs that more of the newer hotels. Right, so main bathroom, you have a separate toilet area, the door, nice big mirror, a magnifying mirror, got dual basins, you have a hairdryer, and then you have a very deep bath with relatively large shower. The water pressure isn't terrible, it doesn't blast your skin off, and it comes with all the normal things: shampoo, conditioner and body wash. So that is a quick room tour of a king suite strip view at the W.